are finally hitting the road again. We are planning on driving all the way from Toronto to Alaska.
But first, we need to make some major changes. After living in our van and driving all the way to Mexico, we quickly learned all the things we need to improve. Woo! And this week, we'll be taking you through it all.
The countdown is officially on. We are leaving today with the van from my parents' place up north to head back to the city. We will be working a little bit this week and then we're going to take off on Friday. I can't wait. Yesterday we wrapped up the electrical system, which is so exciting. I have not seen Talia so happy, I think, ever. She put in so much work on the electrical, and to see it all come together is a feeling that's hard to explain, really.
It is the moment of truth. Please. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Battery monitor's on.
Yep, charge controller's on. You got 13.3 volts.
I have been so stressed out about getting this going, and it just feels so good when it all comes together.
High five, baby! Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Victory
is ours! Say hello to our new and extremely improved electrical system.
Woohoo!
So starting from the meat and potatoes, the battery bank.
Battery dudes, are you filming me or what?
We have two 270 amp hour game changer lithium batteries from Battleborn. As you can see, they're thin and tall, so we've mounted them together. So the square footage that they're taking up is not a lot, but the power they're giving out, you guessed it, it's a lot. Because of the bigger battery bank, we are actually able to get a bigger inverter. So we have a 3000 watt Renogy inverter charger. And the wonderful thing about this is not only is it able to power things like a blender or an air fryer, which we couldn't do before, but it also has the capability of charging through shore power, which we mounted on the outside of the van.
Wow.
The capability of charging our batteries through shore power is really crucial for when we're going to Alaska when we might not have too much sun. The other way that we can charge our batteries is through a 60 amp Renogy DC to DC charger. That just means we can charge our batteries by driving. This might not be exciting for people that aren't into electrical systems or currently building a van or looking to upgrade their van, but I'm gonna show you anyways because I am wildly excited about it. I'll give you a quick tour of it. This is our AC panel. This is basically our breaker box for all the outlets. And we have our main switch. All of these circuit breakers going out to the different circuits. And because we only got power yesterday, we were finally able to turn our water pump on to find out that this had a massive leak in it. So, I'm gonna throw it out properly. It almost looks like our home.
It's coming together.
The feeling when all the hard work comes together, nothing like it.
Okay, this day has completely flown by. It's already 5 p.m., I believe. It started winter this morning, and I think we're finally in spring. We are running around right now to finish getting everything packed up. Somehow we have left it all to the last minute, although we had promised ourselves this was not going to happen. Here we are at the last second, packing the van in a hurry because Talia needs to get back to the city to work tomorrow morning. So we're gonna hopefully get this done pretty quick, but we are kind of exhausted. So we'll see how it goes.
I feel a little bit anxious about it.
You know. There is something about putting fresh sheets on that gets me excited. Like, I just instantly felt better.
Did you?
Yeah.
I'm still anxious.
Because they smell so good. And I also love these sheets. I'm so excited to sleep in this bed again.
Okay, I truly cannot wait to show you all of the massive, massive improvements we've made to the van, but one of which I will show you right now because it's so amazing. Look at this massive drawer. Wow. We were putting all of our food in this one tiny cabinet and everything would fall out every time, even if we had this bar.
We'll give you the full tour of everything. I know we've been saying this for a long time, but we will give you the full tour at the end of this video when things are actually packed in here and organized, because right now we're just kind of throwing things in so we can get out of here.
We're getting there.
Slowly but surely.
It looks like this now, and who knows after living in it.
Okay.
It's time to go to bed.
Are you tired?
I'm tired. Let's close it.
Okay, packing round 1 complete. On to round 2 on Thursday. All right, we'll see this place in the summer.
We love it here. I'm actually so
Leaving. Whoa, Talia's crying!
Today's wonderful sponsor is a brand I can guarantee you've heard of, but I'm gonna tell you why today is the day that you finally pull the trigger and try it for yourself. That's right, you guessed it. It is the all-in-one nutritional powerhouse that is AG1. Although AG1 is sponsoring this, I would not be talking to you about this if I didn't really feel the benefits. What benefits, you might ask? Well, I've told you about my improved energy levels. I don't think I would get through a whole work week and grind it out on the van build without it. And I've touched on the immune supporting properties, which have successfully got me through a Canadian winter without catching a nasty cold. But today I'm gonna talk to you about the role it plays in my gut health. The digestive enzymes in AG1 have helped me to not feel bloated. I feel lighter, I'm regular. I mean, what more can a girl ask for? When I scoop AG1 into that water, it just feels like the ultimate self-care moment. I can't explain it. I just love starting my day this way. I just feel like there's no better way to wake up. So let today be the day that you prioritize you. Go to athleticgreens.com/talandmads and get yours today. If you use our link, you will get a free gift, which includes an entire year's worth of a vitamin D dropper plus 5 travel packs. You'll also be supporting us in our channel. Might as well take this now. Okay. It's time to finally organize this place.
I'm not too sure where to start, and I'm pretty bad at finding where to start. I'm one of those people who just moves and putters around for a long time, and it's been like
Okay, get to it. Let's get to it. Stop puttering.
and I haven't done anything. So thankfully I have Talia here to keep me in line.
Let's go.
I love it in here.
Yeah. So, first thing first.
What? Sorry, your mouth is stuffed with Oreos.
First things first. Successful first round?
Yeah, only 10 more rounds to go. You think it wouldn't take so long to organize such a small space, but I think it takes even longer than a big space because, you know.
I actually agree with that because it's harder to find a method and places.
And you really have to be selective
Yeah.
of what you're bringing.
Yeah, when you have a big space, no problem. I'll put this over here, I'll put this over here. Goodbye. I also think not to get overwhelmed, it's nice to do things in rounds. We just do a little bit here and there. Okay, so we gotta get going though. We didn't have too much time.
How many candles do you think is okay to have in a small van? Let me know.
Breast smells like all dressed chips.
Exactly, that's why I need the candles.
Okay, we have to go get ready because it is a Jewish holiday today. It's Passover and we are going to my family's for a Seder to celebrate, and my brother is coming home from New York, so it's gonna be a lot of fun.
And Dahlia's mom is gonna be really mad that we were eating chips and Oreos before dinner, so don't tell her.
Yeah, no matter how old I get, if I eat something before dinner and spoil my dinner, okay, let's go. After we delivered some of Maddie's parents' homemade maple syrup to my mom, very Canadian, I know, we sat down to eat some traditional Passover food. Although the food is divine, nothing beats the fact that we are all sitting here at this table together. We feel so grateful to have families that make leaving home so difficult. A quick visit to our favorite mechanic to make sure Billie is good to go. We've arrived at the Sprinter Doctor. I hear him. Uh-oh.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Hi.
Hi. I brought you a gift.
Okay.
Look.
What's my gift? Oh! Nice, very nice. Here, you're gonna be here.
Yeah.
Aim on it back. So you're gonna be there now.
Where are you? Jazz and Crystal used to have a sticker. Where
I
is
have the other toolbox.
Beautiful. Look at that.
With my identifiers, but I like it.
I love it.
I like you, that's it.
In a world of mechanics that try and take advantage of you and try and take advantage of your lack of knowledge and your desperation, it feels so good to have someone that legitimately feels like family and cares about you. And you know they're not trying to rip you off, they're just trying to keep you safe. So couldn't recommend this guy enough.
Bye.
But, well, it's not really bye. We're coming back tomorrow.
All right, I mean, you can put it wherever.
Hey, welcome to
a grocery store parking lot. We're gonna show you all the upgrades we've made to the van that we are extremely excited about. We've actually already spent one night here. First toothbrush in the new van. It looks exactly the same from this point. It's already top notch.
this new kitchen unit we had professionally built by our new friends over at Campr Vans, and we couldn't be more happy with it. It is real kitchen counter height. You probably didn't realize that previously we actually had a miniature kitchen unit in here, and this seriously has changed everything. It just makes the van feel like a real home. We have so much extra storage, and storage is of course everything in this small space. And this time we have drawers that are a variety of sizes. So we have our top drawer, woohoo! Nice and tiny, fits everything you need. And then the best part really, or one of the best parts, there's a lot of best parts, I can't even choose the best part. We have two really deep drawers. So we have lots of room now for food storage that we didn't have before, amazing. Lots of room for pots, pans, our induction cooktop, etc. I won't bore you with all the insides. Ooh, and there's an electronics store because, you know, we make videos. My next favorite part.
Everything is your favorite.
Everything. Look at this, it's a toiletry drawer. It is such a great use of the space underneath the sink because it's kind of tricky to figure out what to do with that. So we have this amazing toiletry drawer, which I'm very excited about. So are you ready for my next favorite part? You guessed it. I don't know if you guessed it, but maybe you guessed it. If you saw our Instagram earlier. It's a pee funnel! Not a beer funnel, it's a pee funnel. Tal and I stayed in the van the other night, as she mentioned, and this was just like speechless, really. While we are over here in this area, I think this is what Tally is most excited about, so she might be able to show you. That was rude. You just punched me when I'm trying to talk to the vlog. Bowie says hi, and he misses everybody. I know he hasn't been around in our vlogs lately, but he's really excited to be back.
Okay, I had to be tagged in for this part because I am like extremely over the moon about it. There's two parts here that I love. First, we used to have a gray water tank that was under the sink. It was big enough to take up a lot of space. And we had to empty it every single day. So the guys at Campr Vans have built us an under-mounted gray water tank. It freed up all this incredible space under the sink. And as I mentioned earlier, we upgraded our entire electrical system, meaning we can power lots of fun appliances that we couldn't use before. Oh. And we have space for it. Yahoo! So just having a unit that perfectly fits our needs, it feels amazing, really. I love it. How many of you attempted to make their very own window covers? Because we absolutely did attempt. And they did well for a bit, but then they started falling apart, and it was truly the bane of my existence. Because we have a T1N Sprinter, it was kind of hard to find a company that made window covers for our van. We were so happy when we found Quest Overland because they made window covers for our van that fit like a glove. The magnets are incredible on these. The clips allow you to roll up the window cover and clip them, so you can just basically keep them on the window at all times. And the material is just good quality. I'm just so happy with it. And we never really had window covers in our front cab, so having the capability to completely cover all those windows really added about 30% more space when we're parked. It's a total game changer. Everything here is a total game changer. So thank you, Quest Overland. You are amazing. We love them, especially in Alaska when there's gonna be, what, 20 hours of sunlight?
Okay, for my next favorite part, we got a new composting toilet. Previously, we were using a cassette toilet and we were only going number 1 in it. We would not go number 2, so for number 2, we were using a shovel or finding a bathroom, and it can get a little bit, shitty.
Oh, she made a joke! God, I love her.
So this is called the CUDDY composting toilet by Compo Closet. We'll make sure to leave all of their info in the description. The CUDDY is amazing because it actually fits exactly where we had our cassette toilet before. Here she is. What should we name her, Tal? I feel like she needs a name.
CUDDY is too cute of a name.
True, CUDDY. She's called CUDDY. Are we gonna...
You what? You want to demonstrate? Okay, that wraps up all of the upgrades we've made to the van. We're still waiting for a tiny part from our mechanic.
That's hopefully coming tomorrow, but tomorrow is Easter Monday, so we'll see. Hopefully it gets here so we can leave.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I think you're ready too.
So hopefully next time we see you, we'll be on the road,
No,
baby.
we definitely will be on the road.
Next time we see you, we will be on the road.
We love you.
Hope we made you smile.
Here, complete my heart.